Back at 6:44 now, from out on the road to inside of your home, the cold brings some unexpected dangers for us all.
Including how to stay warm. Health reporter Haley Hernandez with a warning.
The biggest danger is carbon monoxide poisoning, and symptoms include feeling lightheaded, dizzy, having a headache, nausea, vomiting, shortness of breath. One of the key things is if multiple people in the home are starting to feel the same way, in which case you need to open doors, windows, and get outside. Gas stoves, ovens, propane tanks, generators, and your car. When desperate, you may be tempted to turn to these methods of heat to stay warm. And even if you know you shouldn't, here's a reminder that even planning to do so for a minute can turn deadly.
Carbon monoxide poisoning, that is a silent killer is what we call it. It's an odorless, tasteless, invisible gas that starts forming in the air, and if not properly ventilated, can cause a lot of symptoms, including death.
And don't run your car in the garage with the garage door closed. Even if you think you're just warming it up to start before work, AAA says that's unnecessary. Fact or fiction? You should warm up your engine before driving.
That is actually fiction. It used to be that you'd want to warm up your vehicle, before driving it. But that was vehicles of days gone by. I mean, modern vehicles, you do not need to warm it up. And this is a really important point. You never want to warm up a vehicle inside an enclosed space like a garage because of the threats of carbon monoxide poisoning.
More safety tips from AAA to drive in this cold weather is to take it slow. Experts anticipate most accidents are going to occur when people are going too fast for the conditions. And never use cruise control on wet pavement. And remember that during these types of weather events, lots of emergency personnel will be assisting stranded motorists, so give them room to do their job safely. I'm health reporter Haley Hernandez, KPRC 2 News.